We'll get to Jason in just a moment, but first, we've been saying that it's been less than ideal weather today, but one couple made it work. Michelle shared this video today of her son Brian and now fiance Ariel at Acadia National Park. They are new Mainers, and we're told Brian wanted to kick off a lifetime of memories in the state by proposing at Acadia. Congratulations to the couple, and remember, you can send us your photos and videos to the Near Me section of the News Center Maine app. Well, Jason, I have to say I'm glad at least two people had fun outdoors today.
And the rain held off there.
Right.
So they got that in, even though it would have been a better story if it was pouring.
Yeah, exactly.
Which it is now.
Yeah, go back, redo it.
The whole state, we are locked in. I mean, everywhere it is raining hard. Take a look at, that's the Kennebunk rest stop, or whatever exit you want to call it there behind, and you can see the visibility is low on that camera. Heavy rain overnight, a flash flood threat goes up. More than 2 inches already has fallen for a part of southern Maine along the coast, especially up to 4 locally. And the pollen, yes, has washed us away, and it'll be warm and breezy tomorrow to end the weekend on a much drier note. Precip accumulation here. This is what the radar estimates, and you can see where you see the green, that is about 2 inches. So about Augusta south down to Portland to the southern coast, where you have the rain has come down quite a bit. Here's a last check of satellite and radar. What I'm going to do here is get rid of the cloud layer and really take a look at this radar to show you what's going on. You can very easily see here with those live sweeps coming through from Caribou down around Gray where the yellows are. And also you have some banding offshore. So going forward, we have a low-level jet, basically. That's kind of like steroids, a little shot of energy into the storm that's off the coast. And that's going to be screaming and moving into the mid-coast and down east. You see what's happening here down in Boston, down towards Rhode Island, about 150 miles away. So this thing's not done yet, but this has a bullseye up north for us, mid-coast and down east. So mid-coast and down east, friends, you are not done by a long shot with this one. Visibility is low, especially where it's raining very heavily, and we also have the temperature dew point together. That creates fog, so that's also lowers visibility. Wind coming up off of the ocean. We have tropical moisture here coming up all the way from the Atlantic and the Gulf, and that's why we're locked in with rain here with low pressure north and west as the anchor and a little area of low pressure here coming up the coast to give it that little steroid shot of energy, which is going to beef up the turtles. And there is that little area right there. This is a low-level jet. Increase in wind you're going to see as it moves up the mid-coast and down east by 2 o'clock in the morning. Still raining southern coast, but watch what happens like that. 5 o'clock, it shuts off from Bangor south and west, and that rain continues to push up north and east, and it's over. And tomorrow looks amazing. Downsloping wind, 70s, lots of sun before the secondary front gets here to cool us down just a bit. So a quarter to a half western mountains up north, a half to 1 inch south of that, and then foothills south, 1 to 2 inches plus, and that's where you can definitely have that flash flooding threat as the wind's going to be picking up with the rain that's already down. 44-mile-an-hour wind gusts here from the model tomorrow morning, and that's going to go once again up the coast is where the wind's going to be greatest. This is a coastal situation for wind for tonight. Seas at 5 to 7 feet tomorrow, wind southwest gusting to 30. Gale warning is up. Oh yeah. Next 3 days of the forecast. Tomorrow looks amazing. 70s, sunny and breezy and warm, and then we cool down with a sunny sky. Temperatures in the 60s for highs. As you can see here inland, a few showers Wednesday, not enough to ruin any real plans. And for the coast, same thing. Wednesday is the only day of a couple of showers. But let's talk about the weekend. This weekend, we're not the holiday yet, so we're just going to focus on this weekend. And it is really, tomorrow is an amazing day for outdoor activities. You'll be out there playing golf, won't you?
I'm going to try to sneak, maybe go to the driving range early before we get in.
That's right.
And Jason, I know we have a lot of sunshine these next few days, but since we've been working together, I don't know if I remember a time when the entire state was getting rain at the same time. I feel like it rarely happens.
Yeah, and we haven't got it, and it is beneficial, and it's happening mostly while we're sleeping, so that is good for the lawn and the garden.
Especially when it's sunny for the next few days.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Jason, thank you.